This is where the sun comes in. Don Standing's debut street photography hardback, a New York book that gets right close up into faces, jewellery, shadows, strange moments and the quiet theatre of the everyday city. The cover is Wibalin old gold bookbinding cloth, a fine-grained tactile material usually found on library editions and fine art books. The sun logo is foil blocked in gloss black. When it came to choosing between matte and gloss, gloss won, and you can see why. That contrast against the matte cloth is exactly right. Inside the cover, printed end papers in a gold bokeh abstract, warm graphic and visual bridge before the black and white begins. 74 pages on an uncoated 170 GSM, heavy in the best possible way. Every image has been individually converted to grayscale. That's the step that separates a photography book from a flat colour cast compromise. Page 25 is one of our all-time favourite photographs. We're not going to explain it, you'll know when you see it. Don came to us from New Jersey, printing a hardback for the very first time. He taught himself InDesign around a full-time job. Our team guided him through the file prep, pre-flight, the foil choice, every step. 150 copies shipped to the States. If you're planning a street photography book, we'd love to help. Head to xyz.com to start your print journey.